Today, I wanna show you how to mod your MCPE. You need this Minecraft block launcher, mods for Minecraft PE. Then, let's start. You need to open the mods for MCPE. Browse mods. And wait till loading. I'm gonna pick one and I install it. Redstone. I just wanna know you this is working, guys. This is working, and install it. And after that, you import. Then back to home screen, and go to your block launcher, and that is it. To go here, launch option, then see see that script one says enable the redstone. Okay, guys, let's get to it. Play creative. There you go, guys. This is working fully and successfully. And make make I make here mm, to be true. This is working. See, see, guys, and all of this item is working, but the dropper, dispenser, hopper, and Minecraft with TNT is not working, and the redstone comparator have a bug. Okay, guys, now uh, this is how I mod my Minecraft. I don't know you to be able to anyone how to mod their Minecraft PE. Okay, guys, I'll cut this video for and subscribe down below for Kyle 108. That's me. Guys, I will end this video now, and goodbye, guys. Bye.